Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I remain your Mistake. Let's start with a riddle today. I am a man standing between two ideas and pulling them together. What am I? Connectives. If you see a word standing between two ideas like a friendly bridge holding hands, then that word is probably a connective. Let's have some fun and break this down. But first of all, let's understand what connectives are. Connectives are words that join ideas, sentences, or even parts of a sentence together. Think of them like a glue or a bridge that help one part of your sentence connect with another, so it will make sense. Quickly, let's play a game. Say the sentence, I was hungry, I ate rice. Yes, they are sentences, complete sentences, but something is missing. Now, we can join those two ideas, yes or no. Yes, you can say, I was hungry, so I ate rice. You see, the so in that sentence is our connective. It joined the two ideas together to make more meaningful sense. Connectives are divided into different types. The first part is add connectives. These help you add more ideas. For example, and, also, as well as, in addition. Say this, I like mangoes and bananas. Nice, and is the glue here. Do you remember the song? I love to eat apples and bananas. I love to eat apples and bananas. That is, you add connective. And the next type of connective is cause and effect connective. This shows the reason something is happening or has happened. Example of cause and effect connectives are because, so, therefore, as a result. Let's try this in a sentence. He ran fast, he was late. Why? Because he was late. Easy, right? The next type of connective is contrast connective. These show a difference or opposite idea. For example, but, however, although, yet. I like football, but I don't like running. The fact that I like football doesn't mean I like running. Did you see that twist? But helped us show the difference. So when you're writing your essay, you're writing your composition, or answering your comprehension, be careful to use this connective appropriately. Remember the three types of connective that I gave you? We have the add connectives, the cause and effect connectives, and the contrast connectives. Understanding these connectives will help you know the right way to go. Now it's your turn. Let's play a game called Find the Connective. I will say a sentence and you tell me the connective. She wanted to help. She was too tired. But amazing! He studied hard. He passed the test. What connective best fits that sentence? So, Bravo! I enjoy dancing, singing. And you got it! Why are connectives so important? Why do we keep talking about connectives? Connectives are so important because without them, our speaking and writing can sound choppy like broken paste. With connectives, your ideas flow, they sound smooth and close. They make you sound smart too. Now, write 3 sentences using different types of connectives in the comments. I will be there to check them. Have you done that? No, don't log off. Just try it. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't, share with your friend that needs to learn about this, and comment. Yes, I mean it. I need your comment. I want to know I'm impacting you greatly. Also, you can visit my website at www.boga.com.ng for more free PDF and worksheets. Bye!